In today's video, I'll show you on how you can cut objects in TinkerCAD. So first things first, you want to head over to your project right here, and to cut it, it's extremely simple. Let's say that I want to cut a specific part of my object. Let's say I'm going to cut a square shape into my object right here or to my design. So I'll simply insert a whole design or whole shape onto my object that I want to cut. And from here, you want to make sure that you simply combine them together. So to make sure that everything is cut, I'll just make the shape bigger. I'll lower down the shape to make sure that it matches with my design or object. And from there, it's as simple as combining the shape together. It will automatically cut your shape depending on the design that you have made. So let's say that I want to cut a specific text. Once again, it's going to be extremely simple. You can type your text the way you want to. In my case, I'm going to type guide, or to make things easier, I'm going to type G. And in here, I'm going to make my shape bigger. Right after that, you have the ability to transform this into a whole. So let's click on whole. Let's align the image perfectly onto our design right here. And then for the last step, you want to align the shapes together. Once again, you highlight both of your shape, which is going to be solid and a whole, combine them together, and from there you have successfully cut that specific part of the object. So in our case, it's going to be the G part. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.